Looking to start a mobile auto detailing business in 2024? The auto detailing industry offers a lot of opportunities and business potential. Knowing the right tips and tricks can give you a head start. The outlook for the United States mobile auto detailing industry is positive. According to Future Marketing Insights, FMI, the mobile auto detailing industry will grow at a rate of 8.9% between 2022 to 2032. But what does that mean for people looking to start a detailing business? Is it consistent in every area, or are there ideal places for your business startup? In this video, we will answer your questions about mobile auto detailing demand, popular areas for mobile detailing, popular auto detailing services, technology, tools, and more. Before we jump into the video, please note that I may earn a referral fee from the services and companies I feature, but rest assured, there's no extra cost to you. I chose them because they're the best in the industry and you're safe with them. Northwest Registered Agent is professional formation service to file your LLC. It's an amazing company that will guide you through creating your LLC. They even have a service where they will file your LLC for you without you going through any hassle. Don't forget to check out the link and full review of Northwest Registered Agent in description down below. Moving on, let's take a deeper look at the mobile auto detailing industry outlook. Statista found that the U.S. population owned and operated over 284 million vehicles in the second quarter of 2022. Vehicles face different types of wear and tear throughout the country, from long hours in traffic to dust, pollen, snow, rain, or heat. After housing, cars are the second biggest expense for many people. It's a serious investment, given the rising price of vehicles and the cost of maintenance. As a result, owners are becoming more aware of the benefits of professional auto detailing. Mobile auto detailing can be even better for car owners. They have a convenient service that comes right to their home. Increase their car's lifespan. Don't have to worry about water restrictions. Preserve their car's cosmetic appeal. Minimize exposure to allergens and toxins in their vehicle. Increase driving safety. Protect resale value. Let us discover the most popular states and cities for mobile auto detailing businesses. According to the IBIS World lists Texas, Florida, and California as having the heaviest concentrations of auto detailers in the nation. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, BLS, the top 5 metropolitan areas with the highest employment level for vehicle cleaners are New York, New Jersey, Los Angeles, Long Beach, and Anaheim in Southern California, Dallas, Fort Worth, and Arlington in Texas, Chicago, Naperville, Elgin State of Illinois, Houston, The Woodlands, Sugar Land in Southeast Texas. In general, auto detailing businesses are likely to do better in areas with dense populations such as the Tri-State, Southern California, and Greater DC areas. Now, what are the best states for mobile auto detailing businesses? Zippia created a 2022 list of the best states for car detailers. They were based on income, state laws benefiting entrepreneurs, car care demand, and growth potential. The top 5 states on the list included Wisconsin, Rhode Island, Utah, Oregon, Washington. While guidance is helpful, it doesn't mean that these are the only good places to start a mobile auto detailing business. As long as you provide the right services, a strong customer experience, and research into areas you're interested in starting a business, you'll have the potential to succeed and grow your business. Let us guide you the steps to start a mobile auto detailing business. Step 1. Research the local market. Look for well-populated or fast-growing areas or places that lack mobile auto detailing services. Step 2. Write a business plan. Think of a business plan like a guidebook for your business. It lays out your goals, how you plan to achieve them, and the obstacles you might face along the way. It's more than just a document, it's a tool that helps you stay focused and make informed decisions. It helps you define your services, strategies, and potential hurdles. Plus, it gives you a clear understanding of the finances, from startup costs to projected profits. One important section of a business plan is the financial projections. This section provides an estimate of how much revenue the business is likely to generate and how much it will cost to operate, which helps determine whether the business is financially feasible. Step 3. Register the business. Starting a car detailing business involves more than just fixing a car. The businesses rely on consumer trust. You also need to navigate the legalities of setting up a business. Each state has different requirements, so you'll need to check the specifics for your location, but here is an overview of the important steps. Choose your business structure. There are 4 main types of business structures: sole proprietorship, partnership, corporation, and limited liability company, LLC. Sole proprietorship. This is the simplest structure and is often chosen by individual entrepreneurs. As a sole proprietor, you and your business are considered the same entity. The ease of startup and lower cost are major advantages of this structure. However, it doesn't offer liability protection, meaning your assets could be at risk if your business incurs debt or is sued. General partnership. If you're going into business with someone else, a general partnership might be suitable. Both partners share the responsibilities, profits, and losses of the business. Like a sole proprietorship, a general partnership doesn't provide liability protection. Corporation. A corporation is a separate legal entity owned by shareholders. This means the business, not the owners, is liable for its debts and any legal actions. Starting a corporation involves more paperwork and higher costs, but it provides strong liability protection. Limited Liability Company, LLC. An LLC is a hybrid structure that combines the simplicity of a sole proprietorship or partnership with the liability protection of a corporation. It's a popular choice for small businesses because it offers flexibility and protects the owners from personal liability. Forming an LLC sounds complicated and expensive, but using an entity formation service guides you through the process so you know it was done right. Most popular service is Northwest Registered Agent, renowned for its exceptional privacy protection features. For just $39 plus state fees, clients can enjoy unparalleled peace of mind along with a complimentary registered agent service for the first year. This comprehensive package not only ensures top-notch privacy safeguards but also provides excellent value for money. With Northwest Registered Agent, customers can rest assured that their sensitive information is in safe hands, allowing them to focus on their business endeavors with confidence. Business name registration. After registering the business structure, you may need to register your business name. This process will vary depending on what business structure you pick. Sole proprietors and partnerships will often be required to register a doing business as DBA, while corporations and LLCs register with the state during the formation process. During this time, it's also a good idea to check if the name you want is available as a web domain, even if you're not ready to set up a website yet. Obtain business licenses and permits. Depending on where the business is located, there are likely general business registrations that may include a local business license, sales tax permit, employer identification number, and more. Step 4. Decide what services you'll offer. Check your competitors and what they offer. How can you make your service unique? Determine where you excel, and look for what will fill a common customer need. You may be wondering what mobile auto detailing services provide. Many mobile detailing companies have both a single service list as well as packages. Detailers typically offer add-ons to their packages as well. Some of the most commonly seen services are wash, hand dry, vacuum, condition, trim leather, steam clean, clean the glass and plastic, disinfect and purify, add a coat, ceramic or wax, clean and dress the wheels, remove stains. The goal is to clean and polish everything to look its best. To create your package, look at what competitors offer, and give it a twist of your own. For example, if you are in a rainy area, add something like a windshield wiper check and replacement to the list. Other options for customers, exterior or interior detail only. Step 5. Learn new skills, techniques, and experiment with the latest tools. However, it's also helpful to take the time to learn new skills. Find someone who will teach you, or work for another detailing company before starting your own. Step 6. Invest in supplies. You'll want tools that allow you to serve your customers. Most mobile detailers have a vehicle, vacuum, sponges and mitts, brushes, detailing towels, polishing pads, bucket and guard, spray bottles and containers, products like conditioners, wax, cleaners, etc., hoses, generator, pressure washer. Make sure to look into every supply you need to perform each service. Step 7. Invest in tech and automation tools. Rather than using multiple platforms, invest in the ones that are designed to support small businesses and perform multiple functions. It's helpful to have all your information in one place. Look for platforms with strong customer service. The faster you can use every feature, the faster you can grow your business. Step 8. Determine pricing. Research what others are charging and why. Balance it with the cost of labor, supplies, gas mileage, and any ongoing costs for business tools. Price in a way that matches others, but doesn't undersell your value. Step 9. Build an online presence, market, and spread the word. Use every method to get your business out there, and get creative while doing it. Post standout social media. Hang flyers locally. Cold call potential business clients, like that used car dealer. Have your network spread the word. Step 10. Provide outstanding service. The better your service, the more you encourage reviews, positive word of mouth, and repeat customers. The mobile auto detailing industry is growing, and it's a home service that's increasingly in demand. Understanding the outlook gives you the insights you need to build a thriving business. In conclusion, the mobile auto detailing industry outlook is positive. With the right skills, service area, tools, and technology, you have the ability to build a thriving business. Not only will you have a job that you can be proud of, but a home service that helps people protect and maintain an essential investment. As you embark on your new business journey, it's important to take advantage of the various small business tools and resources available. Northwest Registered Agent can assist you in streamlining several crucial small business tasks. Northwest offers to walk you through the formation process for free. When you make a free account with Northwest, you'll be given online tools for LLC formation, maintenance walkthrough, and company document creation. All you'll have to pay is your state's filing fee. If you are confused or consider these steps to be difficult, Northwest will file your paperwork for as little as $39 plus your state filing fee. This option includes compliance filing, phone service, and lifetime support from local corporate guides. If you choose to pay in full for Northwest's LLC formation service, you'll be charged a $39 service filing fee, plus an expedited filing fee that varies based on state of incorporation. Northwest Registered Agent is an amazing company that will guide you through creating your LLC. They even have a service where they will file your LLC for you without you going through any hassle. The full review and tutorial of Northwest Registered Agent is also given in the description down below.